Kusenjalo lenkokheli ye-I-EFF ithe iqinisekisiwe inkululeko yamajelo eendaba kodwa kuphela kulo majelo enza ngendlela umsebenzi wawo. Lo mbutho izolo walila ukunika ukuvumela intatheli eziphuma kwiwebsite yeendaba iDaily Maverick, iskophu yamabhungane, iraport kunye nakwinkampani yakwa-Caxton.
There's no publication that was banned. We just refused to associate. Banning means that we must go to Mabungane's office and shut them down. Daily Maverick says Malema hates us. Give us money. So you want me to come and sit with such people, to give such people interviews who are raising money in the name, in my family name, that I hate them. They raise money the same way AfriForum raises money. Give us money, we'll take Malema to court. Those are right-wing structures. They are serving an agenda of white supremacists who are threatened by the posture we've taken as the I-EFF.